Yeah, hey, bro.
Yep.
Hey, I didn't wake you, did I?
No. Surprisingly, I've been awake for a few hours.
Ah, good. Have you had a shower?
No, but my hair's not that greasy either.
Okay.
What's the plan?
Okay.
Like, as soon as he has that look, he's gonna invite me somewhere, isn't he?
No, not really. Anyways,
No, that's a surprise.
yeah, I had a question.
What?
Okay, well, you remember, when me, you, and Daniel opened up 15 Kinder Joys?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Okay, would you want to do that again? What the heck are you doing? Okay, so today, I know it's kind of repetitive given the last video I uploaded quickly was Kinder Joy, but Jurassic World is literally closer to the end of the month, 22nd, I believe. So, because the movie Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom is coming out, then I decided to go ahead and do another one since my work seems to actually have the Jurassic World Kinder Joys. And from what I can see on the preview thing that they had, they're actually higher quality than the previous toys, so I thought it was worth doing another video. Alright, and just like last time, open them up, put them together, and then show what we got. Pretty much.
You sure the camera can see me?
Yeah, actually, I would be more concerned if it could see me, because it doesn't look like it's looking at me, but according
same here.
to this, yeah, you're in it. I see you.
Okay.
All three of us are in it. It's pretty well centered.
Alright then.
Okay. Start whenever you feel like it.
Alright. Hey bro,
What?
I'm getting a deja vu moment.
Really? Oh yeah, because last time it
Last
took
time
you.
it was freaking
You were the only
open.
person who didn't move during the entire time lapse video.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we got out of all of them is it's kind of interesting because I didn't get a single duplicate. What I got was not necessarily in the order that I got them, but what I got was the Triceratops, the Brontosaurus, the Tyrannosaurus, the Stegosaurus, and the Dimorphodon. That was Dimorphodon, right?
That's how I called it.
Okay. So, what'd you get?
Okay, I got, what is it, a Chilorhinosaurus or something? Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus. I got a Dimorphodon. I got 2 Velociraptors when I started a band together. And an Apatosaurus. Good job.
Okay. And what'd you get?
Okay, well. I got 2 Dimorphodons, which is interesting. And got a Velociraptor, got the T-Rex. I'm pretty sure we can agree this is one of the best ones in there.
Okay.
Yeah, those are cool. Anyways, and this one's not actually listed on their little pamphlet, but the Mosasaur. So yeah. What?
Can I actually see that really quick?
Yeah, but it's still mine.
Yeah, I'm not gonna steal it, dude. Wait, so it had a little Mosasaur skeleton and that went inside of it?
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, maybe that is a rare or something. Cause
It's the only one that's not listed, so
yeah, unless they're saying their other dinosaurs aren't listed as well, I don't know.
I don't know.
Exciting.
We'd have to ask. But yeah, the Mosasaur. That's, I guess we could chalk that up as a secret rare or something because it's not listed.
And well, that basically concludes the the Jurassic World Kinder Joy unboxing. There are other ones out there like the Frozen one, but again, I'm not really a fan of Frozen, so I won't be actually doing that one. I only did this one because I like Jurassic World, and it comes out, closer to the end of the month. So yeah, if you liked this, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you really want to stick around. My channel is really random. It never has really anything set in stone because it's not dedicated to anything.
Because he's not a stoner. Good jest.
Anyway,
I
so
don't think he's a stoner.
yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and guess I'll see you in the next video. That was way too much like Markiplier, wasn't it?